What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Two Legit Reviews, where we cut through the hype and tell you what's actually good and what's not. Today we're looking at the Michael Todd LUMOS IPL hair removal device. $119 on Amazon, claims to permanently remove hair in 4 weeks with zero pain. Sounds amazing, right? Well, we dug through 55 real customer reviews, and there are 7 things the marketing definitely does not tell you. Some are great. Some are a little alarming. Let's get into it. Quick heads up, product links in this video are affiliate links, which means we earn a small commission at zero cost to you. Now, the LUMOS uses IPL, or intense pulsed light, to permanently disable hair follicles over time. It's got a built-in cooling system that keeps the treatment head at 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 9 power levels, a skin tone sensor, and nearly 1 million flashes, which is basically a lifetime of treatments with no replacement cartridges. Let's talk about thing number 1. Thing number 1, and this is genuinely a big deal. The cooling technology is not a gimmick. It actually works. If you've ever tried IPL or laser hair removal, you know the heat can be really uncomfortable. The LUMOS has an active cooling system that keeps the treatment head at 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewer after reviewer confirmed this. One said, and I quote, "I was honestly scared to try an at-home laser device because I thought it was going to hurt a lot, but this device made it so easy and basically pain-free." Another called it a salon treatment from home. So if pain has been holding you back from trying IPL, this is the real deal. Thing number 2, people are seeing actual real results. Not maybe it's working results. One reviewer who had professional laser done years ago said, and this is a direct quote, "I'm very impressed with the results I'm having on my legs even though my hair is very light. This is a great solution at a mere fraction of the cost." Another user, a strawberry blonde, which is normally tough for IPL, said she saw a difference in 10 to 12 days. 77% of all reviewers gave it 5 stars. That's a strong signal. Thing number 3, the speed caught people off guard, in a good way. The glide mode fires a flash every 0.7 seconds. So you can literally treat your entire body in under 10 minutes. One reviewer said she did her legs and underarms in a single quick session and was done. For context, professional laser sessions take 30 to 60 minutes per area and cost hundreds of dollars each. Doing this at home in 10 minutes while watching Netflix? That's a different value proposition entirely. Thing number 4, and this is something they really don't emphasize enough. This is IPL, not laser, and IPL has skin tone limitations. It works best on lighter skin with darker hair. If you have darker skin or very light hair, like red or grey, IPL in general may not be effective for you. That's not a flaw with this specific device, it's how all IPL technology works. But it's buried in the fine print. One reviewer with strawberry blonde hair did see results, but that's not guaranteed. Check the skin tone compatibility chart before you buy. Seriously. Thing number 5, and here's where we get real. Despite the cooling, this device can burn you. A reviewer reported, and this is a direct quote, "left burn marks on my back and made my face red and break out even at a setting of 3 or 4 out of 9. That's not max power. That's the middle of the range. The skin sensor is supposed to protect you, but clearly it's not foolproof. The takeaway here is to start at the lowest setting and work your way up slowly. Do not go straight to level 5 on your first session just because it has cooling. Thing number 6, and this is the one that concerns me most. There are reports of the device dying after a single use. One reviewer said, quote, "Used one time, no longer works, but there is only like a 30-day return policy, so I got an expensive piece of trash. Now, Michael Todd does include a 3-year warranty, which sounds great on paper. But if the return window is only 30 days and you have to deal with warranty claims after that, it could be a hassle. 10% of reviews are 1 star, and most of them point to either the device dying or the burn issue we just talked about. The good news? 90% of people are happy. The bad news? The 10% who aren't are really unhappy. Thing number 7. At $119, this is genuinely the best value in the IPL space right now. Devices like the Braun Silk Expert Pro 3000 run $200 to $300. Most competitors don't include active cooling. The LUMOS gives you the cooling tech, nearly 1 million flashes with no replacement cartridges, 9 power levels, a skin sensor, protective eyewear, and a carrying bag, all included. One reviewer specifically called it an affordable laser option at home and compared her results favorably to professional treatment she'd spent hundreds on. If you've been on the fence about at-home hair removal because of the price, this is your entry point. Here's our honest verdict. The Michael Todd LUMOS is the best value IPL device on Amazon right now, period. The cooling tech works, people are getting real results, and the price is unmatched. But it's not perfect. The burn risk is real. Start on the lowest setting and test a small area first. The build quality concerns are real too. There are DOA reports and a tight return window. But with 77% of reviewers giving it 5 stars and a 3-year warranty backing it up, the odds are odd in your favor. 4.4 out of 5 stars from 55 reviews. For under $120, that's a solid bet. That's our take on the Michael Todd LUMOS. Have you ever tried IPL or laser hair removal? Did it actually work, or was it a waste of money? Drop a comment below. We read every single one. If this review helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. We'll see you in the next one.